Hey, this is Kid Monkey Garage. Here to show you kind of something crazy. I was messing around being bored and trying to take cactuses out, and I accidentally took my landing gear out, and the plane still runs, just no landing gear. I can't back it up, can't do nothing, but weirdly yet, it still runs damaged. Still runs, acting like it has landing gear. I'll show you if I can figure out a better way to do it. No landing gear right there, none. No landing gear. Not in the front, not in the rear. If you would look, right. Oh, they're gone now. Must have despawned. But earlier, they're right back there by those two bushes right behind me. The front one's gone and the two rear are gone. Thanks for watching.